Okay, in this video we're going to take a little bit of a deeper dive into how to use the app and how to learn using the method. So let's click into French to begin with. That is the big word list for French languages. If we go back, we can click into German and we're going to see a similar list of words. Same again for French. Once we're in the list, we can scroll through it and have a look at all the different words that we can learn. Or if we know that there's a word that we want to learn, we can type it in and then the list will filter so we can quickly jump to that word. Clear using the little cross at the top. And then we're good to go. There's a few other things on this screen that I want to identify to you. So at the very top, we've got that settings cog again. So if we click on that, it's going to take us to that audio settings screen. So if we're dipping in and out of words, we can adjust the different speed and the accents if we need to. Next to that, we've also got a little plus. I will talk through this more in a future video, but this gives us the option to add a word that we want to learn. The Drawn from Memory app isn't full of infinite words to learn, but it has a beautiful feature where you can add the words that you want to learn and tailor them for you. Alongside every word, we've got the I know that button. So again, I'll explain this in a little bit more detail later. But as we learn the words, we can just click on these ones and say to ourselves, oh, I know that and I know that. So I can click on these and it'll tally them up. Okay. Once we want to dip into a word and start learning it, we just click on it. Now we've got this space to be creative, start making these links between an English word and a translation, and then better carry on our learning journey.